Allahu Akbar. It's raining in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Okay. So I have been praying the rain dua for many months. I'm praying, okay, and I saw no rain, but I was not hopeless. I know that when it's needed, Allah will give. So the rain dua is Allahu maskena gaisan mugisan marian nafian ghaira darrin ajilan ghaira ajilin Allahumma sahiban nafian. And obviously this is a niyamat of Allah. So which of the favors of O Lord will ye deny? Fadiyayi wala rabbikuma tukazziban la shay'a la bi shay'in min niyamatiki rabbina yukazzibu falakal hamd adada khalqi rizqa nafsi zinata arshi midada kalimati wa biyadati kulli zarratin alfa alfa marwa wa adada ma fi ilmillahi salatan daimatan bi dawami mulkillah. So I am thanking Allah bi ghairi hisab, because you can't thank him with numbers. You have to thank him in infinite numbers. So subhanallah, this rainwater is a blessing. Okay? Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. দেখো বৃষ্টির পানি কিন্তু তো দেওয়াল ঘুষে আসতো। তো যাই হোক, সুবহানাল্লাহ, alhamdulillah. So the Isha Azan is calling. I always get wet in the rain, but this time now I don't have the opportunity. I have the cell phone in my pocket and I have to be here. Alhamdulillah. And so in rain, if you take breathing the pranayam like this and release the air, subhanallah, subhanallah, subhanallah. Because the trees, they badly needed the rain, the birds and all the animals and the land, everything needs water. So alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Maybe the night of power, the Qadr, Laylatul Qadr was yesterday or could be today. Allah knows better, subhanallah. So we have to keep on praying. And pray for my mother. She's in hospital. She is cured. A little bit more needed. Thank you. Jazakallah.